from T-Mobile Park, Seattle, Washington, it is the Cleveland Guardians and the Seattle Mariners.
Yeah! 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 Try, Cuddy. Let's go. You go. All right. It's their birthday, dude?
Thank you so much. Thank you.
You're welcome, bro. Let's go, cuz. I need one. Hey, let's go.
If I don't make it, then it's on me.
JP trying to start something for the Mariners. Swung on, line drive, right field, base hit. JP with a base now.
All right, ground ball to me.
They say legends never die, no.
Gotcha.
Strong flips one towards shallow right. Coming in is Haggerty, makes the sliding catch.
Hell yeah!
Well, here we go to the bottom of the 11th inning. The right-hander, the stretch, and the 2-0 pitch to Haniger. Swinging a line drive in the right field. It's going to drop in, a base hit. Bauer,